Hello friends, welcome back. So let's work on our cart page. So inside the pages folder, let's create a new file, okay, and name it as cart.js. And this will be a React component. So I'll write import React from React, okay. And we also need the store context. So import store context from dot slash dot slash con context slash store context, okay. And here we will create the component. So const cart, and this will be an arrow function, and in here we require const checkout. This will come from use context. This will come from store context, okay. So let me paste it here, and then we will return ul, and inside this ul we will map the line items. So checkout dot line items dot map, and this will loop through each line items that will save in this item. And here we need an arrow function, and then we will return an li, okay. And inside this li we will take a key that will be item dot id, okay. And inside this li we need item dot title. So this will be our label, and we also need a quantity. So I'll add this here. So item dot quantity, okay. And now we will create one more component. So that will be cart page, and again we need an arrow function. Return will return this cart, okay, but this will be inside the layout. So we need this layout to be imported, so make sure to import this layout, and inside this layout we need cart, okay. So cart, and again we need to export this cart page. So default cart page, okay. Let me save this. Let me check everything is fine. Okay, we need use context, okay. So let me copy this. We need use context to be imported from React. Let's save this, and let's see. We are okay. Let's go to the browser, and here I'll go to cart page. Okay, here as you can see we have me sticker and the quantity is 1. So let's add some more quantity. So I'll remove this cart and I'll go to home page, and let's go to JAMstack with React, and here I'll click add to cart. Okay, it is giving me some error. Layout.js checkout of undefined. Let's go to Visual Studio Code, and let's go to layout.js. So here in line number 72 we have I have done a mistake, so it is adding. I have added a typo. So now let's save this file, and let's go to the browser, and now let's add items. So add to cart, okay. And if I go to, let's, this is me sticker, okay. One second, let me go to JAMstack with React and add this also. And now let's go to cart, okay. So it is JAMstack with React, okay. New sticker, add to cart. Still we are getting some error. Client.checkout. Let me add more items. On the second time it is giving me an issue. Checkout of undefined. Okay, okay. But here we are able to add item, but only one time, okay. So if I go to me sticker and if I click on add to cart, the item is added, okay. I've only clicked one time, so it has been added. Like now it is 3, but the problem is on the second time it is giving me an issue. So if I go to me sticker, first time I'm able to add, but on the second time it is giving me error. Okay, so let's go to Visual Studio Code, and it is line number 68. So here is the issue. So I found the issue actually here in Shopify product.handle.js. This function should be wrapped in a curly braces, okay. So let me cut this out and I'll paste it here. Let's save this. and inside layout.js, this should be previous state dot store. Okay, so that was error, and in store context, actually we don't require this client, only this is required. Okay, and now if I go to the browser and if I refresh the page, okay, and now let's see if we can add to carts more than once. Okay, so add to cart. I am pressing 3 4 times. Okay, and now if I go to cart, so as you can see, this is 16 because I have added, I was just testing. So now it is 16 and this is 4. So let's add some more. This was 4, so let's add it 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. It should be 10 now. And if I go to mean sticker, it was 16, so 17, 18, 19, and 20. Let's go to cart. So it is 20 and now it is 10. So it is updating. Okay. So that was a big issue. So that was fixed, and now let's go to layout.js and let's do some navigation. Okay, so in layout.js, okay, here we can wrap this in main. Okay, this is a tag, so let me cut this out, paste it here, and then above that we will have a navigation, so nav, and inside this we will use link, okay, from Gatsby. So at the top we will import the link from Gatsby, so import link from Gatsby. Okay, and now here inside the link, here we will set the path to, and here the path is we need this to go to cart. Okay, and uh, this will be cart, and here we need the items, how many items have been added to cart. So for that we will add a parentheses, and inside we will have curly braces, and then state dot store dot checkout dot line items dot length. Okay, let me save this, and let's first check it out. Okay, so as you can see, there are two items, me sticker and JAMstack with React. So it is showing two. And now let's add one more link to go to home page. So link, and this will be, we can name it as store. Okay, so and now the path we need is home. So slash, only slash. Okay, now let's save this and let's go to the browser. I refresh. Okay, we need a space in between both of this. So I'll add a space. So if I go to store and the cart is 0, let me save this. Let's go and check it again. Uh, let's go to home page, new sticker inside the cart. If I go to store, let me add. Okay, now here it is showing 1. Okay, if I go to store, let me add. Okay, now the cart is showing 2. Okay, now it is a fine. Okay, so we have two items in the cart, 1 and 2. Okay, so it is showing 2, it is updated. And in the store, this is the home page, so we have two items, and in the cart we have two items. Okay, this is it for this lecture, and in the next lecture we will add the functionality of deleting and updating the cart and also the checkout. So I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.